Bonjour. Today we're going to work about the chapter 10 test. We're going to review that. So I'm going to share it as usual. It's right here. Hold on, I can't find it. Let's try that again. I'm going to share it, but I cannot find it. Where it is? Up, and chapter 10, test chapter 10. Here it is. So you're going to have the first question, the listening part. You're going to have to be careful here because you see you have 1, 2, 3, 4 picture, but the answer, you have to tell me if it has to be done or if it has been done. But you may not especially hear something about computer first, and then second about a plane ticket, and then third about someone doing their suitcase, and last doing someone at the bank changing money. Like all of those picture, 1, 2, 3, 4, in the text, they may not be in the right order. Okay? So you have to be careful. We may start with, hey, have you done your suitcase? Oh, yes, it's done. Okay, so number 3, done. Have you changed money or not yet? Oh, I'm going to change money this afternoon. Number 4, not done. You know what I mean? So it's not in the chronological order of the picture. It's in purpose. Okay? For the next one, it's going to be, you're going to listen to the text as usual, and it's going to be people telling you what they do or what they wish you could do. Okay. So if you hear the present tense, oh, in vacation, I do snowboarding. Okay. Well, that's present tense. So it's something they do. Oh, in vacation, I wish I could travel to a beautiful island in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. So we hear conditional, so that would be they wish, okay? They could do it. Okay, so be careful with that. Those two exercises are going to be a bit tricky, but hey, it's chapter 10, right? It's the test for chapter 10. Then, as usual, you're going to have a text, okay? You read the text, you're going to have two texts. You read the text, you answer to the question, are we making a reservation or we are not making a reservation? So, for example, here, they want to do camping in the mountain. But here, the guide, they say it's going to be only hotel. Well, you're not going to do, if you want to do camping, that's not the right place for you. Okay? So, you're going to say B, not make a reservation for this vacation package. Okay? Etc., etc. For the D, the same, you read the text, you have question about it, it's true or it's false. Easy. Then what are we going to have? You're going to have culture part, check with your book, different question about the culture. And if you have a doubt, double check with your book. Do not Google it, it's not going to work. Okay? This vocabulary part, that's going to be a bit tricky, but I think you should be fine. You need to match here. So he's Alman, he's a German. Oh, the country is Germany. They are British, so the country is whatever you pick. We're doing camping and we need emergency kit. Oh, we're doing boat. We need something for the boat. What that could be? Maybe safe life jacket, etc., etc. So you're going to see, you're going to be able to pick between different words. So that will help you a lot. For beautiful picture, you need to tell me which activities they do. So, okay. If you don't know, take your book, look at the picture and which activities they are doing. Easy, easy, easy. Here it's the same. You're going to have a sentence. I think you're going to have choice. I think. If not, I don't remember. I think you're going to have, I don't remember. If not, use your book and you're going to find all of the vocabulary needed over there. Okay? And for the grammar, they tell you, they want you to use the conditional tense. So please use the conditional tense. Take your book, take your lesson, look at the conditional tense. What does the conditional tense look like? Okay? Well, here, you're going to have to make the sentence. You may have to pick between different sentences. Okay? But what are we looking for? We're looking for conditional tense. Okay? Here it's the same. This one is an interesting one because you have two exercises in one. You have to say, you have to use the subjunctive, okay, of the verb here. The verb is underlined. You use the subjunctive. And then instead of rewriting the word reservation, the word in bold, you have to use a direct object pronoun. So that's really fun. Okay, so what I must do to book train ticket? It is needed that you. Oh no, do I need to book the train ticket? Yes, it is needed that you book them. Are we going to need a passport or a visa? No, it is not needed to have one of it, etc., etc. Right? So those words in bold, they need to be changed with an object pronoun, direct object pronoun, indirect object pronoun, or if it's a quantity, or if it's a place. Okay? So maybe that's a place here. I don't know. Okay? So when it's a place, what do we do? What do we replace it with? If it's a place, if it's a place, we replace it by y. If it's a quantity, un visa, un, deux, trois, we replace that by en. If it's a direct object, we replace that by des. If it's a quantity here, because it's some, we put en. And here it's going to be des because it's their passport. Okay? So be careful. And then, super easy. You just need to write something. So you have 4 topics to use. Make sure you're using all of them. Okay? You do all of that, and that's going to be it. Last test. So that's pretty exciting. So take your time, have fun, and I do expect something perfect. Okay? I think that's pretty much it for that. So thank you so much. Do the test. If you have any major question, ask me. And I'm going to see you next time. Merci, au revoir.